Hi everyone, my name is Oleg. I've been with ProEd for a couple of years and I'm teaching economics and finance course. My background, I've done my Master's in Business Administration in London Business School. I've also educated as a lawyer and I worked 7 years in large American investment banks in mergers and acquisitions and capital raisings before embarking on a solo career doing consulting on the same subjects for different companies and projects. I've also been teaching since 2017, trying to pass on the practical experiences I've gained while working for large and small organizations in the finance sector. The course is structured as a combination of two main elements. Number one, the necessary theoretical knowledge which we need to study before we are able to look at the events in the current world and different companies through a certain lens, which is how a financial investor would look at them. And the second element is a practical application. We try to do the optimal combination where we provide some theoretical background, but almost immediately we ask our students to apply it to practical case studies, looking at the companies, evaluating the pieces of news from a point of view how the markets would react on it, and immediately checking how it actually happens in real life, how the share prices react to a particular event. So the students get not only a theoretical understanding, but actually practical skill set, as we think this is the best way to learn. Take the theory and apply it immediately. This is also equipping students for their future careers, and not only in finance, but I would say in business as such, because any business uses finance as a main language of communication and evaluation. So we're trying to get students as prepared as possible for whichever field they choose to go into. What we also include in the course is a bit of a life skills, meaning self-organization, communication, how to convey ideas in a clear and succinct manner. That builds upon the theoretical and practical knowledge in finance and economics, because knowing what people are looking for in any particular business idea, you're able to convey it the best way possible, be it for your own startup or be it conveying your proposition to the higher-ups in the company or to the client if you're an advisory business. We also suggest a few ideas on self-organization, how to manage stress, and other skills which are extremely practical in any sphere of life, not only in finance and economics, but unfortunately almost never taught at schools or even universities for that purpose. All in all, we're trying to make the course as encompassing as possible, and we also include a day in the industry where students actually get to observe how real people in finance and different organizations work and how they apply the things we learn here to the real life problems. All in all, I think the course is an interesting combination of theory and practice. We do our best to deliver the best product for our students and to make them as equipped as possible for their future careers, be it economics and finance or anywhere in the business or life in general. Thank you.